It is November, so it is time to open up our monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. I love getting this subscription box every month and opening it up and seeing what is inside. But before we open it, let me tell you just a little bit about it. The monthly essential oil recipe box is a subscription. It is $45 a month and you can cancel at any time. Inside, you will find 4 full-size essential oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some extra goodies that you'll need to make those recipes. Now, along with the monthly essential oil recipe box, you get the big bonus box. Now this is completely free. It's a part of the subscription and you get this with your first box and every 6 months after. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Now on the months when you receive the big bonus box, your monthly box will come tucked inside just like this. And then on the months where you just get the box, the monthly essential oil recipe box, it comes in its own box just like this. So inside the big bonus box are extra supplies and goodies that you'll need to make the recipes throughout those 6 months. So we have beeswax, and whenever possible, everything from Simply Earth is 100% pure. So you'll see it marked right there on its packaging. Then we have coconut oil. Now this is the cold press. So this is a thicker, I kind of think of it as shortening. It will melt when heat is applied, but it is a thicker oil. Then for our carrier oils, we have almond oil and fractionated coconut oil. So this is the liquid coconut oil. And then we have 6 amber glass roll-on bottles because every month we have a roll-on recipe, and 6 amber glass dropper bottles because every month we have a diffuser recipe. The cost of the subscription is $44.99 a month. And right now I have a great coupon code to offer you. If you go to simplyearth.com and enter in the code CRAFTYFREE with no spaces, you will get a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. That means you can either buy one, get one free, or you can use that $45 gift card to purchase other supplies from their shop. And that is such a great deal. I am so excited that I can offer that to you. And one last thing I want to mention is 13% of the profits from Simply Earth go to end human trafficking. And that isn't just with their subscription boxes, that is site-wide. And I love that that is a cause that they stand behind. All right, are you ready? Let's open it up and see what's inside. My favorite part. Ta-da! All right, so we're gonna start with the oils. We've got winter spice. So each month you get a diffuser blend that is exclusive to Simply Earth. And this month is winter spice. And of course we have to smell them. Oh, that smells so good. That would smell so good in a diffuser. It's a very natural woodsy smell. I like it a lot. Nutmeg. Nutmeg is a very clean scent. Spearmint. Yep, it smells just like gum. And I am really bad at explaining how these smell, so you really should get the subscription for yourself. And then we have lemon. Such a nice, clean citrus scent. Then for our extra goodies, we have, this almost looks like a little perfume bottle maybe. Let's see. Yep, it's a little perfume bottle, and then a test tube packaging for maybe some bath salts, some cute tags with twine. Ooh, what's in here? Ooh, it's a black smooth stone, like maybe for massages. And let's take a look at our recipes. We have a sugar plum fairy diffuser blend. That sounds amazing. Homemade Christmas ornaments. Silky massage salve. Greet the season bath salts. Christmas mint roll-on, and DIY holiday body spray. Ooh, those all sound so amazing. I'm so excited to make these recipes. Inside, we also get matching stickers, and I love it when everything matches. It makes my little organization heart happy. Plus, we have the top of the bottle stickers. So if you keep all of your oils in a box, you don't have to pull each one out to see what's inside. You can just read that top of the bottle sticker. And then inside is this little information sheet. Now, you will not get this. I get this because I am an ambassador of Simply Earth. But I will go over it with you so we can see that our theme for November is gift giving. Then it goes over everything that's inside the box. But my very favorite thing to look at is right here on the back where it says the value of the box. And it is $120.82, and you get everything for only $44.99. That is such a great deal. That is more than half off of the value. Plus, if you use that code, the Crafty Free, you are getting an additional $45 savings to purchase other supplies from their shop. So it really is a great deal to subscribe to the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. Thanks so much for joining me, everybody. Bye, and happy crafting!